Literally. What is it? 2 days after the fact. Okay, I got a little sprout. Okay, LOL. A little sprout there. uh, okay. That's a good sign. Well, when I look at this, I must admit, sometimes growth happens overnight, and sometimes it takes a little bit longer. But I guess what I'm going to say right now is that, wow, I had no idea. I had no idea. What? I didn't call you. I'm just talking right now. Go in the back. Go in the back, girl. Go. Go in the back. Thank you. But I'm kind of ecstatic because I don't know what to do with them next. But it was just more so of getting the seeds, putting water on top after I covered them up. And I think I need to do a little bit more research, but I'm kind of excited. Let's go look at the other one. So it's something in that one. I don't know what it is. I think I'm going to dig it out, but these are the flowers and they're trying to grow right now. So, and I had posed a question. I had asked the question, was this some good soil or not? And very well, I'm going to say it is. I'm going to say it is, but I know sometimes it just takes time and you have to be patient with the process. And I'm so grateful that I want to see this thing through. I want to see what's going to happen next. Yes. Wow, literally. It hasn't even been a week. Has it been 5 days? The seed right there probably end up getting pushed up by its growth. You see that seed right there? Yep. But anyway, gotta go.
The next day.
Oh my goodness, I had such an amazing time. Yes, you see these flowers? I hope you're doing beautifully well today. Yes. I went to an upscale wedding, another one, okay? Another upscale wedding, and it was so very, 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 very nice. And wow, I haven't eaten there in years. Yeah, so it was really, 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 really nice. It was so nice. The cake was good. The music was pumping. The beverages were on point. It was real, real nice. And guess what? Look at that. I caught the bouquet. Oh my goodness. Yes. And yes, where's the parking lot? But look, I caught the bouquet. It's so funny. But yeah, so I had so much fun, and it was a rooftop, on top of the rooftop, okay, on the rooftop. But I will catch up with you all on the next clip. I had fun. It was family oriented. Alrighty. Catch her on the next clip. Hey, what's up, beautiful people? It is summertime right now, so I thought that I would just go ahead and do something so fun. And yes, I already shared this particular item, and I will make sure that I link it down in my description box, or it's going to show up at the end screen, or it's going to be in the cards. Okay, so I did do a haul, okay, to that particular item. So, yes, we're just going to do something so fresh, so yummy, and it's just nutrition. It's good nutrition. It has great nutritional value to it. And it's going to be yummy. And it's just a nice, cool sickle. Okay. So this is what I'm going to make for you. And I hope you enjoy it. So, yes, I'm just going to go ahead and test out my utensil here. I'm going to just see how it slices very well. Okay, and I'm going to also use this as an ingredient. And yeah, so I started to put the whole slice in there, but I was like, no, let's just go ahead and give it a try. So I'm really loving how it slices, and look at the red meat on this plum. It looks so very yummy and juicy. So I'm just going to go ahead and slice it on up, and yeah. So I'm nearly done. I'm going to get every bit of this plum, okay, because that's what I want to do. I want to just leave the seed. I'm going to slice it as thin as possible, and yeah, I like the juice that it's providing, okay? So that's that, and we're going to go ahead and finish the mandarin up, okay? So it looks very yummy, and it looks so delicious. I don't know how many times I have to say yummy, delicious. Yes, because that's just what it is. Okay, it looks so, so, so good. It's hot outside, and yes, I'm going to be using this fresh spring water. Okay, I'm going to add in some beautiful brown sugar to it. Okay, and yes, we're just going to see what it do. Okay, let's see what it's gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna slice it up just a little bit smaller so that it will fit into the chopper. Okay, you should end up with something like this. I'm gonna go ahead and tidy up a bit, and yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, go ahead and pour in your water. Yes, and make sure that you close your lid very tightly. Okay. Yes, which I was doing it wrong. The base of it wasn't secured properly, so make sure that it's secured properly. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and let it blend until it gets, I guess, kind of soupy a little bit, if that's the word for it. Okay, so it should look something like this. I'm just gonna go ahead and stick a spoon in it. Okay, it wasn't quite how I liked it, so I just went ahead and start to blend up a little bit more. Now this is kind of messy, so maybe you want to go ahead and get a smaller container so pouring will be a bit easier for you. It's okay if you make mess. It's fun, it's yummy, and it's nutritious. Is that a word? I don't know, but it has great nutritional value to it. And you know, when it's just hot out there, we're just gonna go ahead and yum. Okay, make something that's just so good for us. And you know what? Cool down at the same time. So you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and clean up behind myself, but before I'm gonna make sure that it's evenly proportioned, and then I'm gonna store it in the freezer until the next day. Yes, until the next day, and then we'll give it a go and see how it tastes and everything. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the tops in, and I'm going to make sure that they're snug very tightly so that I don't have any spillage. I'm going to place them in the freezer for, like I said, 24 hours, and then yeah. So this is the brand. Okay, so if you saw that haul, this is the brand, and yeah. So we're just going to see what happens. Okay, so in the freezer they go until the next day.
The next day.
Pretty good. All right, beautiful people, I'm going to go ahead and get on out of here. I hope you're off to a beautiful, safe summer. I will see you back on the next video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.